Hello everyone. Somebody has just received $300 from CuBig and this has gone to his wallet. Okay, this is not my personal withdrawal, but a member of CuBig that has made this withdrawal. So for those of you that are saying CuBig has not paid them, I don't know why they've not paid you, but some people are getting paid. That is just the truth. As you can see from here, this withdrawal has been done already. You can see it says clearing wallet. So anytime you see money that says clearing wallet, it means that is the money that has been withdrawn. This guy has made a total of $644 from CuBig already. Okay, and he has made a withdrawal of $310, as you can see from here. So people are getting paid. Okay, these people that are getting paid, I am sure that they started before us, long before us. Okay, because the payment is being rotated. I think is being done in a very specific way that they have chosen to make this happen for everybody. And this is another big payment as well that has been deposited in this person's account. As you can see, $132, $104, and $100 as well on the different days. As you can see the dates there. So people are receiving this payment. Some people are yet to receive this huge amount of money. Some people are still getting cents. Okay, and some people are still getting very low amount of dollars. This is basically depending on when you join and how much you are interacting with those ads that they've asked us to be performing on a daily basis. And this is another one as well. Okay, this is another one that has just received over $100 as well. So people are receiving money in CuBig. To be honest, just wait for your turn, and I am sure if you are completing all your tasks, you will receive this money. For now, as at when I'm recording this video, I only have this amount of money in my wallet, as you can see from here. Okay, I have only $10 so far. They've paid me about $9 plus, because I have $1 already in my account, okay, as my last balance from the last transaction that I did. So altogether, I have received, just $9 and over, plus my $1 that was sitting there on my total asset, if you have been following my video. So payment is beginning to happen, although they promised that today, 29th of June, that is when they are going to make full payment. Okay, including all the bonuses and all the referral, commissions and stuff like that. But I am yet to see that in my account. All of these screenshots that you are looking at, they are the screenshots that they shared in the official CuBig Telegram channel. For those of you that are in my team in CuBig, if you have joined that official Telegram channel, you should be able to see these screenshots because they already posted it there. So payment is coming. I don't know when it is going to be your turn to receive your own payment. That is the bottom line of this video. Okay, but I will say and recommend, if you have already joined CuBig, continue to complete your tasks, because it is by completing your tasks that is when you will get paid. If you do your tasks and say, okay, I've not been paid, I don't want to continue doing my tasks, you won't get paid eventually. So it's entirely up to you guys. I am not here to force anyone to complete their tasks. If you want to receive all this money, then continue to complete your tasks. That is the only thing I can say to you guys that haven't received your money yet. Okay, these people are getting it. I'm sure you will get yours when the time comes. All right, so guys, thank you very much. I just thought I should share this with you to let you know that people are receiving money and people are also making withdrawals. It's just that you need to be patient and wait for your turn for them to credit your account with enough money that you have earned, and as a result of completing the tax anyway, and then you can make your withdrawal. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I will continue to bring updates for you guys on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, depending on when and where I get those updates. So thank you. God bless. Have a nice weekend.